The purpose of Alt+Win keyboard shortcuts is to save people from needing to use the mouse to find and resize windows with these tricky little edges that are very hard to find and fiddle with sometimes. So now, if you want to resize windows or move windows, you can do it with the keyboard. Let's start with some resizing operations. First, if you want to have a window get wider, press Alt+Win+Shift+right. Window gets wider. If you want it longer, press Alt+Shift+Win down. Shift+Win left and up, make it smaller. And then you can do width and height at the same time with page down, makes it bigger. Page up makes it smaller. If you want to move a window around, let's have a look at what we can do here. So with Alt+Win, you can press left, moves left, right, moves right, up, down. Now if you press home, it goes all the way to the left. If you press end, it goes all the way to the right. If you press delete, it goes back to the center. And then if you press page up, hit the top of the screen, page down, get the bottom of the screen. We can return to center with delete. Now with the numpad, you can also use the same arrow keys on the numpad. So numpad 4 goes left, 6 goes right, numpad 5 goes to the center. You can go numpad up for the top, 2 down, 8 up, and you can hit the corners with 7, 9, 3, and 1, and back to the center with numpad 5. Then some special features. If you want to resize the window to half the screen size, Alt+Shift+Windows delete. For 3/4 screen size, Alt+Shift+Windows home. And for full screen, Alt+Shift+Windows enter. And then you can return that to center, small size, and delete again. Now, if you've got a couple of windows open and you want to move them around so you can see them all, you can use the old tile windows feature with Alt+Windows H to tile horizontally. You can Alt+Windows F12 to cascade, or Alt+Windows V to tile vertically. So those are a few options available. And I'll just resize this one, and that's how we use the tools for moving around, resizing the windows, and centering as you please, all with the keyboard. You can check out the page on the GitHub site for more information at github.com/justclays/window hotkeys.